Hi, I'm going to go over the count and compare worksheet. I'll go over both sides. This side I'm going over now is the which one has more dots. I'll read the directions first. It says put an X on the domino that has more dots. Trace the numbers below. So the first thing that we're going to do is we'll compare. So we're going to look at this domino and compare it to this one over here. And then you'll put an X on the one that has more dots. So how many dots do you see on that domino? 3. How many on that side? And you know what? In case you're not sure, you're actually, this whole domino is 1 and this one is 1. So even though there's some dots on this side and then some dots on the other side, I want you to know that this is a domino and this is 1. So this is 3. And then over here you see 4, but you have to add the 1 more over here. So there's actually 5 on this domino. So go ahead and put an X on the domino that has more dots, 3 or 5. Okay, if you put an X on the one with 5 dots, then you're correct. The next step, it said to trace the numbers below. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to trace the 3, and then we'll trace the 5. Now I'm going to go back over to this 3 here because I think I can do better. All right, that's a little bit better now. So we have our 3 over here and we have the 5. And I've taught you to do the alligator when you're comparing. So go ahead and why don't you do one extra step? We'll do a little bit more work. So you're going to make the alligator eat the bigger number. So what number would the alligator eat? The 3 or the 5? Go ahead and make the alligator eat the 5. We'll give it some teeth. Give it an eyeball. And so now we can read it like this. 3 is less than 5 because the alligator is eating that 5. So that means the 3 is less than, it's smaller than that 5. So now we'll go over and I'll tell you how, or I'll explain how to do the back side of this worksheet. All right, now we're going to go over the back side of the worksheet, and this is also count and compare. So the top part, they want you to trace the numbers. So you look at the number and then go ahead and trace it. Now I'm going to go over the second part of it. So I'll read those directions right now. It says count the cubes, write the number to show how many. Draw an X on the train that is longer. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to count the cubes. So how many do we have? 4. So you're going to write that number. And on your worksheet, you just have to trace over the 4 since there's already one there. Now we're going to do the same thing down below. Go ahead and count those cubes. How many did you count? 6. So go ahead and write a 6. Next, we have to draw an X on the train that is longer. So go ahead and draw an X on the train that is longer. And that's all we have to do. Hopefully it's easy peasy for you. If you have any questions at all, just reach out to me, let me know. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.